Hello and welcome to Origami with Miss Cynthia. Today I have someone really special to show you how to create with a hand towel a starfish. Now don't forget, it is not too late to register still for the summer reading program at www.maricopacountyreads.org. Now let's get started. The supplies you will need are one 12 by 12 hand towel and optional googly eyes. Alright my friends, once you selected your hand towel that you would like to work with, you're going to bring the top to the bottom and just align the edges like so. Go ahead and flatten out your towel. Now our next step is I'm going to work on my top right corner. We're going to bring this corner all the way down and that bottom part will open up, and we're trying to bring this edge to that bottom edge. Just like this, and create this triangle just like so. And we're going to bring this corner and then just flip it over like this. So we're going to bring that flap over and we repeat on the left side. So this corner here is going to come all the way over into that triangle fold, and then go ahead and swing this corner here back to the bottom left. And now we have our mountain fold. There's some folds inside. All right, and our next step from here, what we're wanting to do is we have our first part here of our lovely starfish. So we're going to complete it by bringing the bottom. We're going to move this upward, and this top portion here, just kind of tuck it in underneath so we can still see this, our friend's head up here. And just kind of fiddle with your towel because we're wanting to create two little triangles facing each other here. And on the bottom, all we have to do is just tuck this in, push it up. And if you can, tuck it in underneath this folded portion that we just created. So let's just tuck that in there. Just like so. And now we get to, my starfish doesn't want to tuck in, there we go. And now what we're wanting to do is just put the two little optional googly eyes there, just to give it a little bit of a extra touch there. So I have these little googly eyes that are stickers, and we're going to just put them there. Isn't he cute? He's so adorable. And there's your starfish towel origami, you guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Now don't forget to head on over to our Buckeye Public Library System website and check out our programming at buckeyeaz.gov/library. Now don't forget to enter your secret code at Maricopa County Reads for more points towards your 1,000-minute goal. Keep on reading and happy summer. See you next time. Bye.